it doesn't end. Okay, the specialists that were indicted in April 2005, nothing changed. Okay, there weren't sweeping changes on the exchanges, but it's also important to understand how the individuals think. Did the insider code exist in 2005? No, it did not. How much money did you risk to gain $17,479 in toe dip profit? Well, that's that wasn't one trade. Okay, that's so. I mean, I can answer your question really more in depth at the event, and jeez, I'm sorry to act like I'm trying to dodge the question here. It's just not a simple question to answer. What you're going to find out at the event is that questions like these, where you just say, well, how much money did you risk to gain $17,000? They don't really give a good picture. Okay, so if I told you, what if I told you I risked $500? Well, you still wouldn't have a clear picture about the trading system itself. It might sound great. You're thinking, wow, all I have to do is risk $500 and I can make $17,000. It's not that simple. Okay, the system is quite a bit more robust than that. And you can either wait for the DVDs. I know you're coming from Denmark and this Q&A is coming in a little bit late, or you can, of course, make the trip over. Number 8, I need some clarification on the daily trade videos. If you're going long, is the price you're looking for the bid or ask? You buy on the ask, you sell on the bid. You might want to review disc number 2 where I go over the basics there. Number 9, I've heard you talk about getting out of the market immediately. This person tried to get out but couldn't. My suggestion would be to call your broker. Okay, get on the phone with someone at your broker and make sure they walk you through step by step how to use the system. The reason why I can't answer it here is I don't know what trading platform you're using, so I don't know. But the best, remember folks, your broker is your employee. That's how I look at them. They work for me. I am paying them to do a job. So you get it out of your head that you've got to bow and scrape to these people. If they don't do what you want them to do, you go to somebody else. This is your hard-earned money, and if they're going to play games with you or they're not going to give you good customer service, just go someplace else. Okay, so if you ever have a question, especially about order entry or order execution, please pick up the phone, talk to your broker, make sure they walk it through you right there on the phone. Next up actually isn't a question, but it's a very good account here. It says, you're so right about the market this last couple of weeks. The overall trend is still up. But I'm having success demo trading by going short or long on 3-bar reversals and watching the trade like a hawk. These trades really do require staying on the nest and sitting on the eggs, but they do work. I've made some mistakes looking for trends in a 15-minute chart instead of going to the 1-hour or 4-hour chart, mental lapses mostly. I'm beginning to see the patterns you speak of in your CDs, and I really appreciate your daily trading videos. Your additional information about volume has been a big help, just common sense, but ever so indicative of when professional money is coming into the picture. This promises to be a lot of fun and a good source of income. I'm retired and love being able to generate money without burning gasoline or leaving my home with lots of time for family and other activities. Is this a great country or what? I'll probably be turning in good numbers after another month of demo trading and ready to go live. That is absolutely fantastic. That's a very good description of what the process of trading really is. Trading really can be fun. It can be something that you enjoy. And I would even dare say that if it's not, maybe you should look at either changing how you're trading or going and doing something else. Next up, can you tell me what version of Ensign you have? The latest one. I don't know. I just download whenever they have a new version. I think it's the October version. Do you have to customize this version of Ensign? Yes, I do customize it. I've been using MB Trading Navigator for my trades the last few days.